Hi everybody, this is Ospreyeye from mychartcoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol UGAZ. We'll be looking at three charts. The first chart is a daily chart, and then the last two will be 15-minute charts. And so this is okay. Each candle on this chart here represents 1 day of trading. As you can see, UGAZ has been in a downtrend. Candles have been forming below the middle Bollinger Band and riding lower Bollinger Band support and EMAs 4 and 8 resistance lower. There were multiple gaps down in the last 2 weeks, and then you had candles that were forming below the lower Bollinger Band. Okay, so this is an extreme move to the downside. Well, today a white candle and a bounce is forming off of the 317 low of day, which is lower Bollinger Band right now is at 334. So it's bouncing off of lower Bollinger Band support, and it's hitting this EMA 4 at 378 resistance. So that's the key level to break. If you see here, we've got the first green volume bar in 7 days, or 8 trading days. So there were seven red volume bars in a row. So a green volume bar into the close would be bullish. That hasn't happened in many days. So that's something to look for into the close. UGAZ has been selling off, as you can see with the long upper wick. See the open and then the close yesterday was well below. So we have another 50 minutes left in the trading day. So we'll see what happens. Fasto up here is below 20. There was a Fasto bull cross. So it's still at oversold levels with a lot of room to run until 80 overbought. Same thing with RSI. RSI is below 30. It's at 25 right now. So it's been at these very oversold levels. And there's room to run. The current resistance on RSI has been up here in the 40s. So that's been the tough level to break for you guys. So there's room to run until 40 on RSI. If you look down here at MACD, you'll see MACD has leveled off. So you've got MACD bottoming down here. So that's a good sign if that holds into the day. Bulls want to see it hook up with the crossover, like with this bounce here, the hook up and the crossover. So right here you'll see this was the descending green support line. When the share price opened below that level on the 26th, that turned that line into resistance. So that's lining up with this EMA 8 at 419. So that will be the resistance level to break following a close above EMA 4 currently at 372. So if you get a close above this red descending resistance line and the EMA 8, that would put the middle Bollinger Band on deck. And UGAZ cannot start a new uptrend until the middle Bollinger Band turns into support. Okay, so let's look at the next chart. This 15-minute chart shows EMAs 4 and 8 in the middle Bollinger Band. You can see candles are trading in this uptrend off the morning low. So there's this candle. There was this EMA 4 crossover right here, where at noon you had you see how EMA 4 and EMA 8 were pinched, and the trading narrowed, and then the candles broke above the middle Bollinger Band here and above EMAs 4 and 8, and that signaled the start of this rally that happened at the 12:15. Actually 12 o'clock with the first candle above the middle Bollinger Band. That signaled, showtime. That's an old word catchphrase we used, years ago. And and then the candle started riding EMAs 4 and 8 support higher, and this is what we call the bullish upper Bollinger Band channel. So it's cruising in the channel here, and there was this MACD crossover down here. You can see a bullish crossover, so that signaled also that lined up with this bullish move, and then really opened up when it got above when the candles started forming above the middle Bollinger Band. So that was the confirmation. If you look up here at Fasto, you will see Fasto is cruising up here in the power zone, and RSI has been between 50 and 70 in the bull zone since this 12 o'clock hour. So you have this bullish move above the middle Bollinger Band, and then you have, RSI broke above 50. Fasto shot up to the power zone. MACD had a bullish crossover. Those are all signals telling you that, wow, this chart is heating up, and then you've got this nice follow through. So that's for future reference. That's something to look forward for when charting. And what bulls want to see is they want to see this EMA 4 support level hold. If it breaks, EMA 8's on deck. And then if EMA 8 breaks, then that puts this middle Bollinger Band. As long as this middle Bollinger Band holds during this uptrend, the uptrend should continue. If you start seeing candles form below this dotted line, that will signal downside risk. All right, let's look at the next one here. This is the 15-minute chart with the 50, 100, and 200-day moving averages. As you can see, there was a bullish move above the 50-day moving average today. And then now UGAZ is trying to turn the 100-day moving average, currently at 369, into support. I wanted to show you this because there's this triple junction of resistance here. You've got this descending resistance line over these last few trading days, and then you have a horizontal resistance line from the support here on the 29th from yesterday. So that's resistance, and this is resistance, and they're both crossing right here at the same level as the share price, and that's also with the top of the channel from today. So this is the uptrending channel from today. So you have a triple junction of resistance. And so what that means is candles busting above this level, above the horizontal resistance and the descending resistance would be bullish. So bulls want to see this, the 370, to 375 range right here. They want to see candles forming above this red line, and that would be a bullish signal. So yeah, this is UGAZ. The chart is heating up. As you can see, it's up 9%. So this is a nice bounce. As always, if you look at the daily chart, bounces are just short cover rallies. This is just a dead cat bounce until the middle Bollinger Band turns into support. All right, thank you for viewing this chart. Really appreciate it. Be sure to check out our website at mychartcoach.com. We do have a free trial right now, and we have videos and the chat going. So, and we have daily charts and technical analysis on the Ospreyeye board. So I hope you're having a great day. Thank you.